The miracle of digestion, a process so essential to life, begins with a simple act, the taking of a bite. As we sink our teeth into an apple, for instance, our journey through the intricate landscape of the digestive system commences. Imagine, if you will, a world within where a transformation so extraordinary is about to unfold. Our food in its raw and unprocessed form will be broken down, its nutrients meticulously extracted and delivered to fuel every cell in our bodies. This remarkable feat of nature, occurring day in and day out, is a testament to the elegant design of the human body. Join me then as we delve into this hidden world, tracing the path of our apple from its first bite to its eventual departure. Our exploration begins in the mouth, a chamber of both mechanical and chemical marvel. Here, the process of digestion begins in earnest, setting the stage for the extraordinary journey to come. The moment our teeth clamp down on the apple, the first stage of digestion, mechanical breakdown, begins. Our teeth, those hard enamel-coated structures, act as tiny grinders, crushing and pulverizing the apple into smaller, more manageable pieces. This process, known as mastication, is crucial for efficient digestion. As we chew, our tongue, a muscular organ of surprising dexterity, comes into play. It deftly maneuvers the food around our mouth, ensuring it comes into contact with every surface of our teeth. This thorough grinding action increases the surface area of the food, making it more accessible to digestive enzymes. But mechanical digestion doesn't end in the mouth. Further down the digestive tract, the stomach engages in its own form of churning and mixing, further breaking down the food into a thick liquid called chyme. This continuous mechanical action ensures that the food is properly prepared for the chemical processes to come. Even as our teeth work diligently to grind the apple, another process, equally vital, is underway: chemical digestion. This intricate dance of enzymes begins the moment the food enters our mouth. Saliva, a seemingly simple fluid secreted by our salivary glands, plays a starring role in this process. Within saliva lies an enzyme called amylase, a microscopic protein with a big job to begin the breakdown of carbohydrates. As we chew our apple, amylase sets to work, breaking down the complex starches present in the fruit into simpler sugars. This initial step of carbohydrate digestion is crucial for the efficient extraction of energy from our food. But saliva's talents don't end there. This remarkable fluid also moistens and lubricates the food, making it easier to swallow and travel down the esophagus. Furthermore, saliva possesses antibacterial properties, helping to maintain the health of our mouth and protect us from harmful microbes. Once our apple has been thoroughly chewed and mixed with saliva, it's ready for the next stage of its journey, the esophagus. This muscular tube, approximately 10 inches long, connects our mouth to our stomach, acting as a passageway for the partially digested food. The act of swallowing, a seemingly simple process, is actually a complex coordination of muscles. As we swallow, the food, now a soft, moist mass called a bolus, is propelled towards the back of our throat. Here, a flap of tissue called the epiglottis closes over the trachea, our windpipe, ensuring that the food goes down the right pipe. The esophagus then takes over, using rhythmic, wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis to push the bolus downwards. This wave-like motion continues throughout the digestive tract, propelling the food along its journey. Gravity, contrary to popular belief, plays a surprisingly minor role in this process. Section 5. The stomach's churn, gastric juices at work. As the bolus of apple enters the stomach, a muscular J-shaped organ located in the upper abdomen, it encounters a truly harsh environment. The stomach's walls are lined with glands that secrete gastric juice, a potent cocktail of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. This acidic brew, with a pH as low as 1.5, is strong enough to dissolve metal and is a key player in the digestive process. The hydrochloric acid in gastric juice serves several crucial functions. It activates pepsin, a powerful enzyme responsible for breaking down proteins into smaller peptides. It also helps to kill harmful bacteria that may be present in the food, acting as a first line of defense against infection. The stomach also churns and mixes the food with gastric juice, further breaking it down mechanically. This churning action, combined with the chemical action of the enzymes, transforms the bolus into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. This process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on the composition of the meal. Section 6, the small intestine's triumph nutrient absorption in the villi. After spending several hours in the stomach's acidic embrace, the chyme, now a creamy, homogeneous mixture, is ready for the next stage of its journey, the small intestine. This remarkably long and convoluted organ, averaging about 20 feet in length, is where the majority of nutrient absorption takes place. The small intestine is a marvel of efficiency, lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi in turn are covered in even smaller microvilli, creating a vast surface area for absorption. To visualize this, imagine the small intestine's lining as a plush, velvety carpet, maximizing its ability to capture nutrients. As the chyme travels through the small intestine, it encounters a battery of enzymes secreted by the pancreas and the small intestine itself. These enzymes work in concert to break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into their simplest forms, ready for absorption into the bloodstream. Section 7. The pancreas and liver supporting the digestive symphony. While the small intestine is the star of the nutrient absorption show, it wouldn't be able to achieve this feat without the vital contributions of two other organs, the pancreas and the liver. These organs, though not directly part of the digestive tract, play crucial supporting roles in the digestive process. The pancreas, a gland located behind the stomach, secretes pancreatic juice into the small intestine. This alkaline fluid contains a potent mix of enzymes that further break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Pancreatic juice also helps to neutralize the acidic chyme arriving from the stomach, creating a more hospitable environment for the enzymes to work. The liver, the body's largest internal organ, plays a multifaceted role in digestion. It produces bile, a greenish-yellow fluid stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine. Bile acts like a detergent, emulsifying fats, breaking them down into smaller droplets and increasing their surface area for digestion by enzymes. Section 8. The large intestine's crucial role: water absorption and waste compaction. Having traversed the lengthy and nutrient-absorbing landscape of the small intestine, the remaining material, now devoid of most of its nutritional value, enters the final stage of its journey, the large intestine. This wider and shorter section of the digestive tract, about 5 feet in length, plays a crucial role in water absorption and waste compaction. As the material moves through the large intestine, water is gradually reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. This process is essential for maintaining the body's fluid balance and preventing dehydration. The large intestine also absorbs certain electrolytes such as sodium and potassium, further contributing to the body's overall fluid and electrolyte balance. As water is absorbed, the remaining material becomes increasingly solid, forming feces. This waste product, consisting of indigestible fiber, bacteria, dead cells, and other waste products, is then stored in the rectum, the final portion of the large intestine, until it is ready to be expelled from the body. Section 9, the final act, digestion. The grand finale of our digestive journey culminates in the act of digestion, the expulsion of feces from the body. This process, though often considered uncouth, is a perfectly natural and essential part of life, marking the end of the digestive cycle. When the rectum becomes full, it sends signals to the brain, triggering the urge to defecate. The anal sphincter muscles relax, and through a combination of muscular contractions and voluntary effort, the feces is expelled from the body. And so our journey through the digestive system comes to an end. From that first bite of apple to the final act of digestion, we've witnessed a remarkable transformation, a testament to the intricate workings of the human body. The digestive system, a marvel of efficiency and design, ensures that we extract the nutrients we need to thrive, fueling our every cell and powering our every move.